Hi, new students and families. My name is Abby Balais, and I am Scripps College's Sustainability Coordinator. I'm here to talk to you about sending and receiving packages to campus as we prepare for fall move-in. Students and families may begin sending packages to campus on Monday, August 3rd. These packages will be available for pickup throughout the week of NSPO and Vita Nova 100. Following NSPO and throughout the regular academic year, the packages can be retrieved directly from the mailroom. Please address all packages to the students using their full and complete legal names. Please refrain from using nicknames, as we will not be able to distribute them if they arrive mislabeled. Here is how you should label your packages when sending them to campus. You can find your assigned mailbox number by logging in to your student portal. Please also note to not include P.O. Box in the address line, as they may be refused and returned to sender. The correct address layout is also available on the mailroom website. While there's no limit to the number of packages a student could send to campus, we want to take this opportunity to let you know that the college does not offer on-campus storage in between academic years. Please take this into consideration, as items cannot be left on campus after move-out. We encourage you to use the NSPO packing list to help make sure you're best prepared for the academic year. Keep in mind there are some items the mailroom does not accept, also viewable on the mailroom website. We do not accept packages that weigh over 100 pounds, so please make sure your packages remain under that limit. Dollies will be available throughout NSPO for checkout to help in transporting these heavier packages to residence halls, but we can also schedule package drop-off at a later date. If you have any more questions or are looking for information, please visit the Mailroom FAQ website. Thank you so much and see you all soon.